Hello everyone, this is Minnu. Today I'm here to discuss something really very important with you all, and this is for the first time I'm facing camera. So really apologize if anything goes wrong. Okay, okay. Let me just begin with my thing. Okay, today I'm going to talk about mental illness or mental health. Let me just tell you what it is. Actually, it is a condition that affects a person's thinking, feeling, behavior, or the mood. So this is mental illness, nothing else. People just think of, oh, that person is doing this or that, might be that person is mentally ill. But no, you can't say that to everyone who is not behaving right or who is having mood swings or something else. Okay, so let me just quickly take you to the types. Okay, then there we have few types of mental illness. First one is anxiety disorder, that is excessive fear or the worry. Then comes clinical depression. It is again a mental health disorder which is characterized by persistently depressed mood, or you can say the loss of interest in activities. Okay, there comes the next one, OCD, that is obsessive compulsive disorder. It is an anxiety disorder in which people have recurring unwanted thoughts, ideas, or sensations that makes them feel driven to do something repeatedly. And then fourth comes is the bipolar disorder. This disorder associates with the episodes of mood swings, which might range from depressive lows to the manic highs. Okay, there comes the causes. What are the various causes of this, mental illness? Okay, let me just clear you. What are those? First one is the biological factors. Biological factor in sense, the chemical imbalances which is taking place inside our brain. And then second comes the impulsive actions. Impulsive actions are nothing but, when you act so quickly that you don't have the second thought at what are going to be the consequences of that particular action. So those are the impulsive actions. Then third comes the inherited traits, those traits which an offspring receive from their parents. Okay, let me quickly take you to the symptoms. What are the symptoms? Okay, first thing is the confused thinking. So please guys, don't think I'm confused over something, so I'm mentally ill. No. If from a long period of time you are confused over every single thing, that means there might be a chance of being mentally ill. Second comes the drug addict. Then third is suicidal thinking. Then comes changes in sleeping pattern. Then there is social anxiety and feeling sad. Now please don't take it as feeling sad means okay, today I'm feeling sad because I had a breakup with my girlfriend or boyfriend. No. If from a long period of time you're facing these issues, if you're facing all these things, then only it can say, you may say, okay, there might be a chance, okay, maybe I'm mentally ill. Okay, okay, let me just quickly take you with the treatments. What are those treatments? Even these treatments are very helpful. If anyone is around you, you can help them. Okay, so these are very important, which everyone should know about. Okay, first of all, first thing which is going to help you out is consult mental health professional. The first, the very first thing is, if you feel like okay, any of the symptom is there in me, like you, if you are observing any of the symptoms, then first thing is go and consult a mental health professional, because the help, because the help which that person is going to provide you, no one else is there to replace that person. Then comes the other methods, like you can do meditation just to focus more on a single thing, or you can pull out yourself from darkness to brightness. Okay, then you can ask for help when required or when needed. You can ask for the help from any of your close friends, any of your relatives if you feel so. Then what next is take care of yourself. You need to understand that taking care of yourself should be the first thing, right? Because if you are not taking care of yourself, you can't take care of others, right? So first of all, please focus on this. Please take care of yourself. This is not for only those who are mentally ill. This is for every single person out there. Next comes psychotherapy. So there are few therapies which can help you to come out of this, because sometimes mentally ill people like they don't find solution in talking with others, or by doing meditation or something else. Then therapies are there which can help them. Okay, a few things I want to say. So let me just tell you clearly what those things are. देखिए, मेंटल इलनेस एक ऐसी चीज है जिसके बारे में हम सिर्फ तभी बात करते हैं जब कभी न्यूज पे कोई हमें पता चलता है कि ओके आज इस एक्टर या इस एक्ट्रेस ने, या मे बी कोई भी एक्स वाई जेड, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली एक्टर या एक्ट्रेसेस, बट कोई भी जब वो कोई सुसाइड करते हैं या सुसाइडल थिंग्स हमें देखने को मिलती है, या हम अपने अराउंड देखते हैं कि ओ आज तो उसने सुसाइड कर लिया, यार आज मेरी फ्रेंड की डेथ हो गई, समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो प्लीज लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू वेरी क्लियरली कि ये चीजें हमारे आसपास काफी वक्त से हैं और चलती रहेंगी। अगर हम सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम्स की बात करेंगे, आई थिंक we should like focus more on the solutions rather than problems, because if you are going to talk about problems, solution will never be there. If you talk more about solution, yes, then might be you can help more people around you. So one more thing, please be someone who can help others. Don't be someone who criticizes others, because हमारा फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप होता है एंड हम क्या करते हैं, किसी ग्रुप के एक बंदे को साइडलाइन कर देते हैं कि ओके देखा जाएगा, चलो मजे लेते हैं, बट दैट टाइम यू आर नॉट नोइंग दैट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एक्चुअली. सो प्लीज think and then take actions and be an action taker. Don't just give your thoughts on mental illness. Do something about it, because you are the one going to do something. You can only create a difference. No one else is going to do it. So please, I just wish everyone will do something after watching my video. And if you have any doubts, or if you have anything like any of your thoughts you want to share with me, you can just comment below, and I'll just reply to it. And I have many things to talk about, but yes, second video I'll come up with many more things, more about mental illness, like the natural and the practical examples I'm going to take, लाइक कि कैसे हमारे अराउंड मेंटल इलनेस के पेशेंट्स या मेंटल हेल्थ के पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट किया जाता है, एंड व्हाट वी ऑल कैन डू टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज, a positive change around us. And that's all. Okay, thank you so much guys. And I'm really sorry if आपको कोई भी mistakes मिलते, because this is my first video. So I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.